Hello everyone, welcome to December's news video. One thing to mention before I begin, I have been a little bit lax as I appear to be suffering from gallstones, which is, as you can imagine, very quite painful. So as a result, I've only really managed to get one project done this last month, but in this next month I'm hoping to plow through all the rest of the items on my list. So I'm going to be switching around Harley Quinn for Jake Gyllenhaal's enemy poster. So the enemy poster will be coming up next, and then it will be Harley Quinn's poster thing. After that, there's going to be some surprises. I've got one or two to sort of try and get through. So yes, there is a lot to do this month, and I really have to get my skates on. So look out for it all, and you'll see all the announcements and all the arrivals when they arrive. Until then, I'll see you later. Have a good one.